I did that, I guess. Nice. I want to beat that as well at some point, because, well, I mean, I'm kind of a sucker for KrmaL levels, so in the end, eventually, I kind of want to beat all of them. I've already beaten 8.
Plush is here!
Yo, Plush. Second cube. Oh my god! Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Awesome.
Yes! Woo! Oh my god! Oh, let's go, dude!
Awesome.
Oh my god! Yes! That was literally when Plus joined. That's so funny. Oh my god! New artist! Let's go! Holy shit, I didn't die to the end. I didn't die to the ending. That is so sick. Oh my god.
Awesome. GG.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. The second day after coming back to it, that's just wild. Oh my god. Now I get my now I get my VIP. Yeah, sure. Yeah, dude. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh my god. Literally, just everyone was here. Literally, everyone was here randomly. Everybody joined. Oh my god. I actually beat Black Blizzard. I cannot believe it.